here at the unboxing event at AGFA's place in Cambridge. A lot of different people from around the world, and I just met Francesco from iPrint in Italy.
Nice to meet you.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
And I think that because we are not native English, we just have to speak a little bit slower, right?
It's not a problem.
That's not a problem. Okay. So you told me just before that you are an AGFA agent in Italy. Yeah. Do you cover the entire AGFA range?
No, I'm specialist in south of Italy.
In South Italy?
Yeah.
And is it all the products from AGFA, or is it?
Yeah, the entire portfolio of AGFA, yeah. Okay. From the Annapurnas to Jeti and then.
Mm. And I take that also AGFA in the digital space is very well known and good reputation in Italy,
sure,
right?
Because we come from the pre-press, so we know very well the offset company, and now we are trying to drive our offset company to a digital transformation, and that is the right way.
Yeah. I mean, it must be very nice working with a company like AGFA, because the onset when they acquired INKISH, the Tauro, when it's like really on the large format thing, and now moving into the folding carton market, it gives you a lot of new business opportunities, right?
Yeah, sure. We are just finishing 2 main installations in our region. One of our new HS varnish, full auto, and now and another is an onset X3 robot. Okay. Each one in folding carton and POP display market. Okay. So our company, our customers are looking for a new solution for folding carton, especially in offset market.
And when you look at, because you were looking at the samples, what is the first impression of what you see?
The quality is very good. The quality and the resolution of the line is very clear. So I think that the speed, resolution and gamut is very okay on this machine.
So, I mean, I know there's still a couple of years before it's available in the market, but do you think that when you go back to Italy and start talking about it, that there will be an interest from converters?
Yeah, very big interesting, because a lot of customers, a lot of offset customers now are suffering of a small run length. Yeah. So they are looking for a new solution to fight against this.
So the speed, the quality, and now it's exciting to see how much it costs, right?
The size.
The size, okay.
The size,
of course, yeah.
And now we have to discover the cost of printing to go to customer site and exercise with the ROI.
Yeah, and one of the things that Matt Brooks spoke about this morning, which I think was very interesting, is that this is the first time I hear somebody saying that a digital inkjet machine, where they are aiming to have a consumer cost in the same range of offset printing, right?
Yeah.
So that is like really interesting, because if you can run 8,000-10,000 sheets an hour at almost the same price as an offset machine, that's just amazing.
This is very, very amazing, because the medium run length of our customers is run about 10,000 sheets. Okay. So it's very focused on it.
Fantastic. So you can't wait to get home?
Yeah. But I take the sample with me.
Fantastic. Francesco, great talking to you.
Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
so much.